Hi team, welcome to the grand open house for La Gran Casa del Parque right here in Centro. This is a phenomenal Spanish Colonial home. So guess what? We're doing a Spanish themed open house. You're gonna love the footage you're about to see. We've got phenomenal tapas. We've got a flamenco dancer and a guitarist. Come join us. This is how we do open houses in San Miguel de Allende with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Come join us.